I feel like I just made up a new recipe for a delicious cake or something. I mean, it's like exactly what I want it to be. Yum! This is my fluffiest recipe yet. I am really enjoying the texture. I think it's perfect for riparian plants. Right here I have Drummond willow that I'm planting up in some milk cartons. And just placing this potting media into the carton, it's so fluffy, it doesn't damage the water roots that have formed while my willows were soaking. And then I can just water it in and it will softly pack around the cutting and its roots without damaging them. This recipe has 2 parts pit moss made from recycled paper. It's an alternative to peat. It has 1 part G&B soil building conditioner, which has been heat treated to kill the non-native mycorrhizae that they added. It has 1 part of BCS livestock compost, which is sheep manure and straw that has been composted together without herbicides, and 1/2 a part of sheep wool, which has been pelletized. And I don't feel like I'm missing out on any of the attributes that would have come with peat. Like, this potting media does everything I need it to do. It holds water, and yet it's still able to drain, and it's fluffy, and it's got the right amount of nutrients, and it just has everything that I need. So I feel like I've arrived. This is my favorite recipe.